right, how you doing today? Today we'll be taking a look at the session players in Logic Pro 11, and we'll be replacing some instruments, and we're going to kind of rework this song using the session players, kind of remixing, I guess, or instrumentation. I don't know, whatever that might be. Also, please do check out the playlist on Logic Pro 11 on my website here, or my website on YouTube. And there's also a bunch of other music production stuff here. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog, all kind of stuff. So check that out too. Let's get into this. So this song here, I did a long time ago. This was part of the studio.com, formerly known as monthly.com, Kygo class. They give you vocal tracks and you can produce songs around. So this was electronic kind of version that I made of the song. I'm not going to play the whole thing here, but let's just check it out. And then we'll replace the instruments with Logic Pro's session players.
Always got me falling, just tripping over you, baby, tripping over you. You always got me falling.
So something like that. The original song had this guitar and piano, something like this. And by the original, this is what they gave me, the vocal tracks and the guitar and piano.
Always got me falling, just tripping over you, baby, tripping over you. You always got me falling, just.
So that's what we got. There's some effects in the vocals that I put on and some other stuff. And on this version, I did all kind of stuff. I could say I have an easy bass track in here. But anyways, enough about the old version. Let's get into the new version. Okay, so the first thing I did was I made a project alternative, so I have the original one there. And then what happened was I had muted all the tracks, obviously, except for the vocals. And we got all kind of other stuff going on in this track, and you know, most of it I don't remember because I did so long ago. But the point is, there's no point actually. I'll just keep talking. So got the chord chart here. I went in and figured out the chords, and fortunately this song has pretty much the same chords all in the verses, and there's like a little pre-chorus part here. As you can see, the chords changing there, and then I got the chorus. Another way of doing this would be create an arrangement track. I didn't do that in this case. We'll get into a different video. So I took the little time consuming to put all the chords in there, but then you just copy and paste. I'm sure you're familiar with that technique. So if you have this block here, you just hit Option and drag over, and then you got it there. And then you just, you know, rinse and repeat or whatever. So the chord progressions were put in there. Chord track, whatever you want to call it. We can actually just get rid of these. Clean things up a bit as we go here. After we got the chords done, we created I muted, like I said, the bass and some other instruments, the drums, the original drums I had in there. And I just created, you know, the instruments, bam, drums, keyboard, bass. I picked just different styles. You could experiment with different styles. If I did it different, it would turn out completely different. But the way I did it, I just put the Neo Soul kit on here. I think the Rock Legend bass. And then the timing was off because the intro is only 4 bars. So I put a slice here and then just looped the rest. And actually, let me just play it. And well, before I play it, I also got a Contact 7. The strummed acoustic guitars on here. I have the UJAM Sparkle electric guitar. And then I have another guitar here, UJAM Sparkle. And I left some of the other things in from the old track. But here's what that sounds like. We'll play it from the verse so I don't have to hear the intro and stuff.
Closer, you told me we all get lonely. Don't stop, go slowly. I know it's only the rest of the night now. So just say it's alright now.
So something like that. And by the way, to trigger the guitars, I just use my old MIDI. It's triggering the chords and all that fun stuff. So I'm pretty happy with the results. It's a little sloppy in places, especially the guitars. There's a little harder to edit. But let's just play this part here. Let's play from the chorus.
Always got me falling, just tripping over you, baby, tripping over you. You always got me falling, just tripping over you, baby, tripping over you. Always got me.
So pretty cool. And then, you know, I adjusted some things with the fills amount, so everything's not exactly the same all the time. There's some other instruments in here, like those hits. I think that's the Native Instruments Beat Lab or Drum Lab rather. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, quickly. Oh, the piano. I just muted the piano. I did some piano work here. But it didn't really fit the song that right, and I put the guitars in. Experimented with some other stuff. You know, the thing is, you don't have to use every single guitar or every instrument in Logic. The session players, you could use what you want. And I have some other stuff in here. This is from let's see what this is.
Get lonely, don't stop.
That's the UJAM Virtual Pianist. So it's a lot of cool things. You can experiment and find something that you like. Just keep going. You know, layer stuff and take stuff out.
We all get lonely.
That might conflict with the guitars. I muted the guitars here.
We all get lonely. Don't stop, go slowly.
So let's play the drums. Let's play the band, the Logic stuff, and the guitars. And the thing is, too, if I write a different top line to this, it's my song because I created all the music and stuff like that and the production. If I probably won't do that because don't have time to do that, or if but whatever. But so, anyways, yeah. So let me know what you think. This is just a quick way to reconstruct. You know, a little more tweaking with the guitars, I think, and obviously mixing the track better too would really help. But I think for a starter here, I did this pretty quickly and got some pretty good results. So anyways, that is all for now. I will talk to you soon. Let me know if you have any questions. Let's play the rest of this hook out of the video.
Always got me